Hello. I think I'm getting back to the plumbing system this week, so I gotta cut a couple holes in the bus. I'm cutting one hole for the inlet, and then I'm basically fixing the like gas tank door because it's broken. It doesn't have a little doesn't have a little thing to keep it closed, so I'm putting in a new door, so I need to cut a bigger hole. But that means I have to figure out how to use an angle grinder. Jacob usually does this. So Jacob's dad got us this angle grinder, 15 bucks at Harbor Freight. Look at her. She's having so much fun. She loves sitting out in the sun. Okay. Now I gotta go do it, and that's terrifying. Winnie is currently seeking shade under the bus. There's like no shade in my parents' yard, so she's under the bus right now. Alrighty. I got these off eBay. I got 2 of them. One for the water inlet and one for the gas tank. Okay, it's go time and I'm really terrified. Oh, really unders. I don't like this very much. Everything is fine. It doesn't fit, which is stupid. I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Oh, but Winnie's just living her best life. I have ear protection now. I did it. One of them is done. I still have another one to do, but it's freaking hot and I'm not taking at least a break. I don't think I'll get the other one done today, but sick. So the game plan is, it's Friday. It's like 1:30. I got a late start because I'm hungover, but it's not important. Focus on me. It's bad lighting. But my game plan is, I still need to install the actual water inlet. Like that, what I installed the other day was just the door for it. So I'm gonna install the water inlet, probably take Winnie on a walk, and then I gotta get the plumbing to go where the shower is gonna go. So the goal is to have running water coming out of our shower. Obviously, the thing is going here. This is such a good, attractive angle on my part. Go me. I think this is going to be kind of a bitch to put in. So that's good. But I gotta get really long screws. Ah, ha ha ha. There we go. There is that. That's fun. I don't honestly honestly, I don't actually know the best way to go about putting this in, so. I know what I'm gonna do. It's janky as fuck, but I'm gonna do it anyways. It's okay if this is ugly because it's gonna be the garage, so it's not like anyone's gonna see it. That was janky and definitely not up to code, but it's secure. So, also this is the garage. Like, no one's gonna see under here, so it's totally okay if it's ugly. I should definitely have chopped this first, but like, that's fine. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! An off-centered water inlet. Now I have to like connect all the water stuff again and finish some plumbing stuff. There's still a lot to do, so that we can have running water! Alrighty, so, it's the next day, and I never talked to you guys again yesterday, because after I pressurized the accumulator, I discovered that I, in fact, bought the wrong, what's it called? Mixer valve. For the, like, trim and knob piece I bought, so I bought a new mixer valve, but it won't be here until next week. So no running water. That is a fail on my part for this weekend, for this goal. Anyways, that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!